Welcome! If you've recently made a payment to the IRS, you might be wondering how to confirm that your payment has been posted. In this video, we'll walk you through the steps to check your IRS payment status, what to look for, and what to do if you don't see your payment reflected. Whether you paid online, by mail, or through your bank, it's important to verify that your payment has been received and credited to your account. Let's get started by understanding why checking your payment status matters. Verifying your IRS payment status ensures that your tax obligations are met and helps you avoid unnecessary penalties or interest. Sometimes, payments can be delayed or misapplied due to processing errors or incorrect information. By checking your payment status, you can catch any issues early and resolve them before they become bigger problems. This is especially important if you're close to a filing deadline or if you've recently received a notice from the IRS. Let's look at the main ways you can check your payment status. The most reliable way to check if your payment is posted is by using the IRS Online Account tool. This secure portal allows you to view your payment history, outstanding balances, and other important tax information. If you haven't already created an account, you'll need to register and verify your identity. Once logged in, you can see a detailed list of all payments received by the IRS, including the date and amount. This is the fastest way to confirm your payment status. To access your IRS Online Account, visit the official IRS website and look for the Sign In to your online account option. You'll need to provide personal information, such as your social security number, and answer security questions to verify your identity. If you're a first-time user, follow the prompts to set up your account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Payments section to review your recent transactions. Make sure the payment you made appears with the correct date and amount. Inside your IRS Online Account, you'll find a section labeled Payment History. Here, you can see a chronological list of all payments the IRS has received from you. Each entry will include the date, payment method, and amount. If your recent payment is listed here, it means the IRS has posted it to your account. Double-check the details to ensure everything matches your records. If you notice any discrepancies, you'll want to address them promptly. When reviewing your payment history, it's important to understand the status indicators. Payments may be marked as pending, processed, or posted. A pending status means the IRS has received your payment information but hasn't completed processing. Processed or posted indicates that your payment has been officially credited to your account. If your payment is still pending after several days, it may be worth following up with the IRS. Another convenient way to check your payment status is through the IRS.gov mobile app. This official app allows you to access your account information, check your payment status, and even make payments directly from your smartphone. Download IRS.gov from your device's app store, log in with your credentials, and navigate to the payment section. It's a handy tool for staying updated on the go. To use IRS.gov, first download the app from your app store. Open the app and sign in using your IRS account credentials. Once inside, look for the section labeled Payments or Payment Status. Here, you'll see your recent payments and their current status. The app is user-friendly and provides quick access to essential information, making it a great option if you prefer mobile solutions. If you paid the IRS electronically, such as through direct pay or electronic funds withdrawal, you can also check your bank statement. Look for a transaction labeled IRS USA Tax Payment or something similar. The date and amount should match your records. While this confirms the money left your account, it's still important to verify with the IRS that the payment was properly credited. If you mailed a paper check to the IRS, confirmation can take longer. First, check your bank account to see if the check is cleared. If it has, this means the IRS has received and processed your payment. However, it may still take a few days for the payment to appear in your IRS Online Account. Keep your check, stub, and any mailing receipts for your records. When mailing a payment, always keep your mailing receipt and a copy of the check or money order. These documents serve as proof of payment in case there's a delay or issue with processing. If you sent your payment via certified mail, you'll have a tracking number to confirm delivery. This information can be helpful if you need to contact the IRS about your payment. IRS payment processing times can vary depending on the method you used. Electronic payments are usually posted within 1 to 3 business days, while mailed checks can take up to several weeks. During peak tax season, processing may be slower. If your payment hasn't posted after the expected time frame, it's a good idea to follow up with the IRS. The IRS accepts several payment methods, including direct pay, electronic funds withdrawal, credit or debit cards, and mailed checks or money order. Each method has its own processing timeline and confirmation process. Knowing which method you used will help you determine where and how to check your payment status. If you used IRS Direct Pay, you should have received a confirmation number at the end of your transaction. Save this number as proof of payment. You can use it to check your payment status online or when contacting the IRS. The payment should appear in your IRS Online Account within a few business days. For electronic funds withdrawal, your payment is usually deducted from your bank account on the date you specified. Check your bank statement for the transaction. If you don't see the withdrawal after a few days, contact your bank or the IRS to investigate. Always keep a record of your payment confirmation for reference. If you paid by credit or debit card, you'll receive a confirmation from the payment processor. The IRS partners with several third-party processors, and your payment may take a few days to post. Check your card statement and the IRS Online Account to confirm the payment was received and credited. If you sent a money order, keep the receipt and tracking information. You can check with the issuer to see if the money order has been cashed. Once cashed, it indicates the IRS has received your payment, but you should still verify it's posted in your IRS Online Account. After processing your payment, the IRS may send you a confirmation letter. This letter will include details such as the amount received and the date posted. Keep this letter for your records, as it serves as official proof that your payment was credited to your account. If your payment doesn't appear in your IRS Online Account after the expected processing time, don't panic. First, double-check your payment method and bank or card statement. If everything looks correct, gather your confirmation numbers and receipts, then contact the IRS for assistance. They can help track down your payment and resolve any issues. To contact the IRS about a missing payment, call the number listed on their website or in your tax documents. Be prepared to provide your Social Security number, payment details, and any confirmation numbers. The IRS representative can look up your account and help resolve the issue. Patience is key, as wait times can be long during busy periods. If your payment is missing, the IRS may initiate a payment trace. This process involves tracking your payment through their system, and if necessary, your bank or payment processor. You may need to fill out Form 3911 Taxpayer Statement Regarding Refund to start the trace. The IRS will update you once they locate your payment. Form 3911 is used to request a payment trace for missing or misapplied payments. You'll need to provide your personal information, payment details, and a description of the issue. Submit the form as instructed by the IRS and keep a copy for your records. This form helps the IRS investigate and resolve payment issues efficiently. If the IRS has any issues with your payment, they may send you a notice or letter explaining the problem. Read these documents carefully and follow any instructions provided. Respond promptly to avoid further complications or delays in processing your payment. Always keep thorough records of your IRS payments, including confirmation numbers, receipts, bank statements, and any correspondence with the IRS. Good record keeping makes it easier to resolve any issues and provides proof of payment if needed in the future. If you're on an IRS payment plan, you can also check your payment status through your online account. The portal will show your payment history, upcoming due dates, and remaining balance. This helps you stay on top of your obligations and avoid missed payments. If you need to adjust your payment plan, you can do so through your IRS Online Account or by contacting the IRS directly. Make sure any changes are reflected in your payment history and that your new payments are being posted correctly. Always confirm adjustments in writing. The IRS offers both direct pay and the Electronic Federal Tax Payment System, EFTPS, for electronic payments. EFTPS is often used by businesses and allows for advanced scheduling and detailed payment tracking. Both systems provide confirmation numbers and allow you to check payment status online. If you used EFTPS, log into your account to view your payment history and status. EFTPS provides detailed records of all payments made, including scheduled and completed transactions. This system is especially useful for businesses managing multiple payments. When paying by credit or debit card, the IRS uses approved third-party payment processors. After making your payment, you'll receive a confirmation from the processor. Keep this confirmation and check your IRS Online Account to ensure the payment was credited. Sometimes, payments take longer to post due to holidays, high volume, or processing errors. If your payment is delayed, check your bank or card statement first, then verify with the IRS. Most delays resolve within a few days, but persistent issues may require contacting the IRS. Occasionally, payments are misapplied or posted to the wrong account. This can happen if incorrect information was provided or due to IRS processing errors. If you suspect an error, gather your documentation and contact the IRS to correct the issue as soon as possible. You can request an IRS account transcript to see a detailed record of your tax account, including all payments received. Transcripts are available online or by mail and can help verify that your payment was posted correctly. This is especially useful if you need official documentation for other purposes. To request a transcript, visit the IRS website and use the Get Transcript tool. You'll need to verify your identity and select the type of transcript you need. Choose Account Transcript to view payment postings, You can download it instantly or request a mailed copy. Generally, electronic payments post within 1 to 3 business days, while mailed payments can take several weeks. If you're checking your payment status, keep these timelines in mind. Delays are common during tax season, so patience is important. Let's walk through a typical example. Suppose you paid your taxes using direct pay on April 10th. You receive a confirmation number immediately. By April 13th, you check your IRS Online Account and see the payment posted with the correct date and amount. This confirms your payment was received and credited. If you accidentally overpaid, the IRS will typically apply the excess to any outstanding taxes or send you a refund. Check your IRS Online Account and any correspondence from the IRS to see how the overpayment was handled. If you have questions, contact the IRS for clarification. If you're expecting a refund due to overpayment, use the IRS Where's My Refund tool to check the status. Enter your Social Security number, filing status, and refund amount to get real-time updates. This tool is available online and through the irs.gov app. The IRS uses advanced security measures to protect your payment information. Always access your account through the official IRS website or app, and never share your credentials with anyone. If you suspect fraud or unauthorized activity, report it to the IRS immediately. Be aware of scams claiming to be from the IRS. The IRS will never ask for payment via gift cards, wire transfers, or email. Always verify communications and use the official IRS website for payments and account access. If you receive a suspicious message, report it to the IRS. Let's review some key concepts. Posted means your payment has been credited to your account. Pending means it's still being processed. Always use official IRS channels to make payments and check your status. Keep all documentation for your records. To summarize, always check your IRS Online Account or irs.gov app to confirm your payment was posted. Review your bank or card statements, keep all confirmation numbers and receipts, and contact the IRS if you notice any issues. Staying proactive helps ensure your tax payments are processed smoothly and on time. If you've followed all the steps and still can't confirm your payment, don't hesitate to seek help. The IRS provides support through phone, mail, and online channels. Tax professionals can also assist with complex issues. Acting quickly can prevent further complications. For more information, visit the official IRS website. There you'll find contact numbers, online tools, and detailed guides for managing your payment. Bookmark the site for future reference and always use official resources to avoid scams. Remember, keeping organized records and regularly checking your IRS account can save you time and stress. Set reminders to review your payment status after making a payment, and don't ignore IRS notices or letters. Being proactive is the best way to ensure your tax payments are handled correctly. Thank you for watching. Now you know how to check if your payment has posted to the IRS, what steps to take if you encounter issues, and how to keep your records in order. Staying informed and proactive ensures your tax experience is as smooth as possible. Good luck, and remember to always use official IRS resources for your tax needs.